Okay, this is from inside the screen door.
Oh, probably had a throw. Keep the broom handy. The wind's not as bad as it was earlier.
The sound of a blizzard. And my kids are out back actually building a snow cave. I should go yell at them, tell them to come in.